Hello friends, time for some viewer questions. Yesterday I mentioned my email address and a few of you have sent me your questions. First question is from Gokul Prasanna. Seems to be a small child because that's how his sentence construction is. But, hi sir, I want your help please. I bought Pitbull puppy. I want to grow him like my brother because I loved him. Then one thing is, want to potty train him, pee and pop. That solves for it. Please help me. I'll pay you your fees. Thank you sir. I am waiting for your reply. Okay, thank you for your question Gokul Prasanna, but full stop is very important in sentences. Try to construct sentences with full stop, comma and all those things. But you don't have to pay me. Just go and look at my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos on Ganga's potty training and also previous videos also. If you look at it, you will learn how to train for potty training, and it's not easy, it's not difficult, it just takes time. People confuse something that takes time with something that is difficult. Do not confuse the two. It requires patience, it will take time, there will be mistakes. If you accept that all this will happen, then potty training is quite easy. Next is Vinu Prakash 88. Okay, dear sir, I am a very ardent viewer of your videos and subscriber of your channel, etc. etc. He has trained many things. I am extremely happy that my pup is responding to all my commands. However, I have one question. My dog seems to be excited and eats small stones. Chewing on small stones is normal, but eating small stones may signal some mineral deficiency. Consult your doctor. Usually this is called pica, P-I-C-C-A. This symptom is called pica. But I am not a doctor at all. I try to avoid answering these kind of medical questions. But go consult your doctor. Maybe he needs more minerals. But don't take my advice for it. Don't take my advice for it. Please go consult your doctor. Okay. He also eats insects, cockroaches and anything that moves. Well, that's normal for puppies to do that. I am scared that my dog will eat something which might harm him or poison him. Well, we all are scared. Even I am scared about Ganga. But that is part of owning a puppy, and you just have to let a puppy be a puppy. Is this behavior normal? Yes, it is absolutely normal. Should we keep a watch over him? Yes, you should. So that he doesn't eat something harmful. Yes. Can this be changed by any form of training? This can be controlled, but I don't know if it can be changed. It is in the nature of the dog. If you happen to see this mail, please revert back or make a video. Yeah, I just made a video. So let me go to the next question from Anvesh Chintala. Sir, I follow your videos regularly. I am looking to get a dog not as a pet but as a friend. I am interested in native breeds. I have no proper sources and I don't want to buy in pet shops. As you have suggested, would like to get one in 2/3 months so that I can care for it properly and not rob it of its childhood. I want to get your guidance. Kindly let me know how you can help. Thanking you. Regards, Anvesh. First of all, thank you for sending me a proper email. It's nice to have a concise email to read so that I can easily answer the questions. But the sad part is I do not do puppies. I don't know where to get puppies. I don't know about breeds. I've repeated this several times. So Anvesh, please, I can't help you here. Sorry. Next is Pragadish. So I am Pragadish, I am from Trichy. I regularly follow your videos, etc. etc. I am having a stray dog because I want to give a good life to a stray dog. Okay, so I took him from a street, but I took him too early, etc. etc. So he often eats sand, again maybe mineral deficiency. Sometimes puppies chew on things, but if a puppy is constantly eating sand, maybe it is mineral deficiency. Contact your veterinarian. And also he is biting me too hard. Now he is 2 months old. So now I am teaching him table manners alone daily by seeing your videos. You have to go look at all my older videos as well, Pragadesh. Go look at my older videos. My queries are how to teach him to go to toilet on outside. Well, I have many videos on potty training. You have to go watch it. Not only I, lot of other people have it. How can I stop him from eating sand? You have to limit his exposure to sand, but you have to address the problem that is causing him to eat sand. No living thing wants to eat sand. If a living thing is eating sand, there is something abnormal with it. So you have to address that abnormality, and the doctor has to take care of this. Don't take my advice for it. Okay. How to stop him from biting us? Again, I have multiple videos on this. Just go look at my older videos. Before you send me a question, go look at my older videos. That is my request to you. So the next question is from Sindhu Selvaraj. Respected sir, I am from Madurai. We are having 2 German Shepherd crossbreed dogs. I treat him as my brother. He was too naughty and active. I have trained him as much from 2 months of his age. He is obeying me only when I am offering him treats or food. He was a little aggressive when I am trying to control him. Throughout the day I was with him, even though he was warning me by growling at me while I am controlling him. Shall I adopt your techniques to train him? Is this suitable for a 2-year-old dog? I am expecting your reply, sir. Okay, thank you Sindhu Selvaraj for sending me a concise email again. An email 4 or 5 lines helps me read it and answer a question. The question is also quite visible to me and the answer will also be quite to the point. A long email may have a rambling answer, and just try to send me small emails. Thank you Sindhu Selvaraj, thanks for sending me a small email. Now the answer to your question is whether the dog is 2 months, 2 years or 8 years old, clicker training will work. So just do it. Another question that is commonly asked is, my dog listens to me only when I have treats in my hand. I will do a video about it soon. So I hope this was of some use to you. Thank you.